Today we'll show you how to fix severe Android battery drain by disabling the power-hungry background settings that are switched on by default. If your smartphone is dying before the end of the day, the problem is almost never a failing physical battery. What is actually happening is that your operating system is constantly running unnecessary background scans, tracking your movements, and letting inactive applications quietly eat through your power reserves. So I'm going to walk you through the absolute best hidden settings to eliminate this drain and double your usage time. Let us jump straight into the first crucial setting, which stops hidden wireless scanning. Open your main settings application and swipe down to tap on location. Select location services from the menu. Near the bottom, you will find two independent options for Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Turn both of these toggles off immediately. Leaving these active forces your device to behave like a continuous radar, scanning your surroundings for connections even when your main Wi-Fi and Bluetooth switches are turned off. Now let us move to the second step, auditing invasive app permissions. Return to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Select permissions used in the last 7 days and tap on Location. Look closely at the list of applications actively accessing your position. If you spot an application that does not strictly need your location to function, tap on it and change the permission to allow only while using the app or deny. Then repeat this exact same audit for nearby devices' permissions to stop background hardware pinging. Quick reminder, if this is helping you out, please hit subscribe. Now let us tackle background data usage. Step back to the main settings menu, tap on Connections, and select Data Usage. Take a look at which applications are consuming large amounts of data behind the scenes. Tap on the heavy background consumers like App Store services and disable the toggle for Allow Background Data Usage. Or, if you prefer, enable Data Saver mode, which stops unapproved applications from downloading data in the background entirely. And here is a crucial pitfall you must avoid during this process. Do not blindly turn off background data for essential messaging or communication tools, like phone call services or secure messaging apps, or you will start missing urgent real-time alerts. Always check what you are restricting before you confirm the change. For our fourth step, we are going to disable Google system-level device scanning. Head back to the main settings menu, scroll down to Google, select All Services, and tap on Devices. You will see a toggle labeled Scan for Nearby Devices. Turn this switch completely off. Google enables this by default to find nearby hardware, but it runs perpetually in the background and drains a significant amount of power. Moving to our fifth action, we need to disable the secondary connection scanners buried in your network settings. Go back to the main settings page, select Connections, and tap on More Connection Settings. You will find another separate toggle for nearby device scanning. Turn this off as well. Then tap on Printing right below it and disable the default print service. Unless you are printing documents from your phone every single day, leaving print services active forces your system to constantly search local networks for wireless printers. Next, for our sixth step, let us shut down silent usage logging. Return to the main settings menu and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Tap on Usage Data Access. Select Settings from the list and turn off the toggle for Allow Usage Tracking. This stops your device from spending processing power and battery building detailed activity logs of your screen habits. And finally, let us optimize your built-in battery management tools. Return to the main settings menu and select Battery. Tap on Battery Protection and turn it on. Set the protection level to maximum or basic to cap your maximum charge at 80 or 90%. Charging a lithium-ion battery to 100% every single night degrades its physical capacity over time, so limiting that charge level preserves your battery lifespan for years. While you are still in the battery menu, tap on background usage limits and make sure the toggle for Put unused apps to sleep is switched on. And lastly, tap the three vertical dots, Open Adaptive Battery, and turn this feature on so your phone automatically distributes power based on how you actually use it. And that is it. Your battery should be lasting a whole lot longer now. If this video helped you out, do me a small favor and subscribe to Device Guardian. It really does help the channel, and it lets me keep bringing you simple fixes and guides like this one. Now, if your phone is also taking forever to charge, check out my video called Android Battery Charging Slowly. Try this hidden setting. It is on your screen right now, and the link is down in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.